Hello everybody and welcome your faces back to Crypto Jet. As you know already, today we're going to quickly review Vechain or VET as the ticker states. Now what we can see at the bottom at the $0.05 mark is a tremendous level of support. So we're going to mark this with an orange line in the middle just to signify that it's a strong area. Another thing that we do see is this coin's correlation to the moving averages. So we can see that right now, at this point in time, the 200 period moving average, or the yellow one, is acting somewhat as a zone of support. So every time the price actually struck into that line, it was rebounded towards the upside, right? Which you can see in these three instances. Even though basically in all of the instances it's been breached, it still counts as a valid level of support. Because if you do go into a higher time frame, just disregard what I said last. If you did go onto the higher time frame and actually had the same moving average, it would be more valid because all of this is presented as a wick on the weekly time frame. So essentially, it is valid for me. Now, if we do move on to the 4 hours, we can see something interesting forming at this moment, which is a flag type formation. So what you can see here is the top of the flag. What you can see here is potentially the bottom of the flag. Now, some people may actually draw it a little bit more differently. You may plot it like this, for example, waiting for another touchdown here. But generally, it is a bullish type of movement. Now, what do we do when we see a flag? We take the minimum price objective of the actual flag, which is the staff of the flag, and then we simply move it onto, first of all, the bottom of the flag to get our first target for where the price is going to go. So that's right about here. And then we take the flag again, the staff, and move it right here to get the second potential target where the price could go. So this is sort of an unwritten rule with these flags. Basically, they always, not always, obviously, in 100% of the cases, but most of the time they do follow a similar pattern of growth, right? So we're going to see where Vechain actually goes in the next few hours, weeks, days, you know what I mean? Even years, because I'm pretty sure this project is going to stick around. But currently, having both of the moving averages beneath the price in an upward cross, also with this flag, also with a strong zone of support rebounding the price upwards, it is looking bullish to me. Now, something we may see is a movement potentially to the bottom of the flag before we actually break out, retest, and move towards the upside. All right, that's a potential move. Another potential move that we could see is basically a break of the flag on the bottom side, which would indicate further downside before we find a significant level of support. And this one down here is the final level of support that we're going to find. And that's pretty much it. So I guess we should just wait and see if we do get a break. If we get a strong bullish candle breaking the top of the flag, that means that we're moving bullish. If we get a strong bearish candle breaking down the bottom, it means we're moving bearish. Now that's about it for Vechain. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like if you do. See you all in the next one. Adios.